Welcome to the Shearer Equipment Quick Tip Series.
In front of here we got a 2630 display running with an SF3000 receiver or an ITC receiver, but right now for what we're doing we have an SF3000. What we've been seeing in springtime, summertime, we have 3D WAS showing up here on what we have on picking up as signal, so that would be incorrect. We need to see SF1 on here is what we would be wanting to see. The reason why it would be showing as 3D WAS is because we'll be running on the old frequency, which was back in June. The government decided to change the frequency on us, so we had to make a new receiver signal. So in here we're going to go into the main menu and we're going to be looking for Starfire 3000. Now in the Starfire 3000 portion, if you have an ITC receiver, it'll say Starfire ITC machine. But either way, you're going to be looking for this globe. So we're going to press on that, and this is what you're going to be seeing. It's going to say 3D WAS, your accuracies will be there. It'll look like you'd be working normal, but we won't be able to pick up SF1. All we're going to get is that one piece of the pie in there. So to change this where we need it to be, we have two options. Either we can go into setup, manually change this number in here, or update the receiver, for then it would go on default and default back to the new frequency that we have. So the new frequency that we have, to change it, we're going to press in the correction frequency here. We're going to erase that out, and we're going to type in 1545.9675. So this is the new correction frequency number that we're going to be running on. So I'm going to hit accept, give it a little bit of time, it'll change over here. If your receiver has been updated, you will be able to put a check in the default, and then that will save it right there as the 1545.9675. So now we'll go back into the info tab, and here, this here will now change to 3D SF1. We'll give it here in a bit. It may take like a minute or so. So we'll just hang tight on here. Alright, we waited a minute or so, and now we have here is showing as 3D SF1. This accuracy here, you won't have to worry about this too much. This will steadily increase as you're going on with the day. You can run with AutoTrack at 10% and be fine with it. But this will increase as you go. So now that we have the setup done in here, 3D SF1 is showing. I should be able to go into the home page. Right here we have one piece of the pie. I should be able to go in, make a track in there, press new, number 1, hit accept on there. For our purposes and make it come in quick, I'm going to do the A plus heading. So desired heading, so set A, hit accept. So now we have two pieces of the pie in there. So now we can have the 3. So now our AutoTrack is working because we have 3D SF1. If it says 3D WAS, you will not be able to have any more than one piece of the pie in there. So that is how you change the frequency in a Starfire 3000 or ITC receiver.